Hi friends, welcome to the channel Trading Strategies. Before going to the analysis for tomorrow's trade, I request if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Today is 1st July. So how we have to trade tomorrow, that is 2nd July. How is the Nifty and trend? We'll see now on Nifty chart. So this is the Nifty daily chart. If you see the entire rally from here to here, it is almost retracing to 61.8% retracement. If you see today's candle, it is a green, it closed above this high. So yesterday high is 10,401. Today closing is 10,430. The momentum seems to be upside, but the range is not at all given any breakout. So this is the range, right? So this is the range. 10,190 and 10,240 kind of levels is the range on the downside. On the higher side, this is the range. So this way, 10,480 and 10,550 kind of levels. So this range has not given any breakout. The momentum is in a consolidation mode. So the idea is, if the price comes to demand area, we have to buy, and it comes to on supply side, we can sell, keeping a small stop loss. So how to trade tomorrow Nifty, we will see now on a 15-minute chart. So this is the Nifty 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart. If you see, this is the today's price action. See, morning it opened here and went up, small dip and then rally. So tomorrow also this area will give a decent support to the Nifty. So tomorrow idea should be like this. If it comes to this area, we can buy. So 10,370 kind of levels we can buy and keep a stop loss of 50 points and aim for a target of 10,400 or 430 kind of levels. If tomorrow any gap up opens, so how to trade? So if the price opens above today's high, today high is 10,445 or 450 kind of levels, and if the price opens at 10,450, wait for 15 minutes or half an hour to settle the price and see where the momentum is. If this type of formation came, then we have to buy on a breakout. So if the price opens above this and comes back and retest this area, and that is the buying opportunity, and the probable high is this area. So 10,500. So the higher side 10,515 and 10,530. This area is a strong resistance area where we can take out our profits if we buy somewhere here, right? So these two zones, this is the supply zone. So this is the supply zone, right? This is supply. Right? So this is the supply zone. So this zone is entire zone is 10,515 and 10,536. This area is a stiff resistance tomorrow for the Nifty, right? So next, the decent demand is at 368, 10,368 and 10,350. This is the zone where we can buy. So this is the buying area, this is the selling area. If the price opens above today's high and stays above, then we can enter a buy and the price may go to this area. So where we can take out our profits. This is a simple method to follow for tomorrow's trade Nifty. Now we'll see the Bank Nifty also. This is a Bank Nifty daily chart. If you see this chart, so today it closed high of this candle, right? So this candle high is 21,967. Today closing is, this is a today's candle. If you see today, this is a today candle. So it is high is 22,060 and closed at 21,977. So just 10 points above this candle. And if you see this two, it has closed above this entire, this 4 candles. So the momentum seems to be upside, but on the higher side, 22,270 and 22,485. This zone is stiff resistance coming tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow. If the price closes above 22,500, we can expect a decent rally of 1000 points or 1500 points upside to the Bank Nifty. That is the main important level we have to notice, 22,500. On the downside, 21,200 and 20,900 zone will give a decent support to the Bank Nifty, this area, right? So we'll see for tomorrow's trade how we have to trade. So any intraday dip can be bought if the price opens above today's high and sustain above, then we can go for a long entry with a target of 22,400. So on 15 minutes chart, we'll see now. This is the 15 minutes chart. This is the today price action. It opened up here and small up, a small dip, this one, and it given a breakout at 21,590 or 600 kind of levels and rallied. So now we have to trade tomorrow. Tomorrow intraday trade, this level will give you this breakout level. So that is 21,650. That level will give you a decent support to the Bank Nifty. So this area, 21,700 and 21,600. This 100 points zone will give support to the Bank Nifty. So this area we can enter a long entry and aim for a target of here 22,200. So this area 22,200 and 22,400. Yeah, 22,279, 300. So that 100 points zone here, 100 points zone here. So these areas will give support and this is the resistance. So if the price comes to this area, we can enter for buy and we can take out our profit here. The simple thing, yeah, only thing is we have to, this is the descent support on a positional basis. For intraday, this will give you the support and this is the resistance for tomorrow intraday. So these 3 levels you can note down. So on a longer time frame, it is 20,900 and for only for tomorrow exclusively at 21,650 kind of levels will give you a decent support. Thank you friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like, please share it to your friends. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe.